Hello, good morning. I'm Roger Laroya, Empower in Consumerism. Uh, I'm here, must be log for my YouTube Empower Consumerism. I'm here to ask you, if you are here in Saudi Arabia, if you want to go to the Philippines and you want to make additional income, I offer to you to join my team for Empower Consumerism. This is for M Global. M Global means and say this is same Empower Consumerism easy. But if you want to join and you want to go to the Philippines, you are here. If not enough your salary, I show you how to make part-time or full-time. It's better you make full-time. But now, you are here in Saudi Arabia. If you want to earn money and part-time, just join the Empower Consumerism. If you want to join, I have here, you want to take like this for more product. And like this is for one package, all. The one package is, this is for A, B, and C. All of these, if you want to join the online business, it's better. Because you know the coming COVID-19, more people, no work, no money, because no salary. But if you want to join the part-time, I show you, if you give me a message, and this is for 3 account. See, the 3 account, more money. And this also the 7 account. It's better you make 7 account, because 7 account is good. More income, more money. But it's better you make, if you buy C24/7, make you are same user. That's why you feel good and everything. You ask, you talk your friend, family, relatives, like that, if you want, if this good. But one thing, if you invite the one person, like men or ladies, if you invite to join the Empower Consumerism, every time ask, I tell her to wife, I tell her to husband. But why? Because you see, good product and good business. More people now coming millionaire in Empower Consumerism. If you want to join, you add me, and I tell you everything. If you want, I tell you everything. If you want, you make only add me, and I show you everything. This is my Facebook account. If you want, I give you, and I'm more learning. Have also some meeting. Sometimes all people said I don't like because too much difficult. No. This is not difficult. This is good for your health and your family. Not only for you, but this, many people have also onliner. This is good for online business. If you want to join and earn money and need to for good, you add me and I ask you what you want. And only one product, you are joining now, have also DTC and you have also account. And also online training. Very easy now because I have online training. And you add me, no problem. I give you a good training. Because I have also Zoom. I have a team. All team is better because my team more millionaire now. Earn money. You see in the Facebook, more people now reach money. It's better online because you have no work, no pay. No, you cannot go outside because this COVID-19. It's better. You add me and I show you everything. Only one package. You're a successful member now. And say next video again and next learning and say bye-bye. See you again next video. Only subscribe and press the bell for my every day, every month, every week. I give you another inform for that empower consumerism. And say goodbye. See you again. Bye-bye.